Hi, my name is Aazim Sharp, certified FICO Pro, author of the Ultimate Credit Repair Guide, founder and the CEO of Leaf Credit Solutions, a national credit and financial services company. And I help motivated people transform their credit and raise their scores 129 points in just 57 days so they can secure cash and credit without being denied or overpaying. If that's you, you are watching the right video. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you 6 mistakes people are making when they try credit repair and how you can prevent those mistakes, save yourself thousands of dollars, and avoid wasting your valuable time. I know you'll appreciate what I'm about to share with you. I have a special giveaway if you stick around to the end. It will help you out big time, so don't go anywhere, okay? If you're still here, I would assume you have some credit issues and you need credit repair, right? Okay, so these days, let me just tell you, everybody is a self-proclaimed credit repair expert. When I look at my social media timeline, it's flooded with tons of multi-level marketing credit repair agents, most of which have no experience and have saturated the market. Okay, so let me get this out of the way. Credit repair isn't easy. If so, everybody would have great credit. Think about that. So to most people, credit repair is just sending out dispute letters to the credit agencies, but not to a professional who has an in-depth understanding of how the credit reporting systems in the United States actually work. Okay, so in America, if you have bad or so-so credit, the odds are stacked against you. If you are in an unfortunate situation and you have credit problems, if that's you, it's not the end of the world. Just to let you know, credit repair is legal, it works, and can help you improve your credit legally and permanently. So there are 6 essential things you absolutely should know about credit repair so you avoid wasting valuable time or losing money, just losing the money that you work hard for. Credit repair isn't an easy process, so I highly recommend you have at least a common knowledge of the basic laws that govern the actions of creditors and the credit agencies before you embark on the credit repair journey, because it is a journey. It's not an overnight sensation. So let's jump right into it really quick. Number one, credit agencies can't place accounts on your credit before verifying the accuracy of the information. So I don't care if you defaulted on a loan. If the information that's being reported isn't accurate, by law, that account has to be removed, either corrected or removed. Okay, so the Fair Credit Reporting Act requires credit agencies to verify all information they receive from creditors before accepting the data and placing the account on your credit. In the event you failed to pay an account, they still can't report it unless the information is properly verified beforehand. Unfortunately, the credit agencies, they don't quite adhere to the law, and as a result, accounts that should never be added to credit reports are negligently added. Credit repair is a necessary tool to help enforce your rights and hold the credit agencies accountable. So don't be intimidated by credit agencies and hold back on credit repair or just refrain from doing it because of financial difficulties or past mistakes. Credit repair can give you a second chance to have excellent credit if you really want it. Okay, so number 2, legally you have the right to dispute any information on your credit, even an account you failed to pay. Okay, every account on your credit report must be reporting 100% accurately, be verifiable, and reporting in the allowable time frame, or it must be removed. That is the basic premise of the Fair Credit Reporting Act and what makes credit repair possible for all consumers in the United States. This is the law that makes it possible. Okay, so an account not properly validated or verified after it's disputed has to be removed, and the creditor should no longer attempt to collect the debt from you. Proper proof of you owing the debt should consist of a complete accounting of all paid or non-payments when the account was opened and the original contract with your signature. Credit repair is an effective tool that you can utilize to wipe out debt and restore your credit if implemented correctly. So I don't want you to be fooled. Don't be fooled or intimidated by the credit agencies or uninformed, people just giving you advice that's not accurate. Negative accounts don't have to remain on your credit report for 7 to 10 years. Credit repair is available and you should take advantage of the opportunity. Okay? So number 3, each time you dispute an account on your credit, the credit agency must reinvestigate it. Okay, so oftentimes they'll come back and send letters that say that this is frivolous, that they'll no longer investigate. They are obligated to investigate. In my experience dealing with the credit agencies, I found that sometimes after multiple rounds of disputes, they'll send a letter saying the account was already investigated on whatever date it was that they received the letter. They then go to say that they will no longer investigate the account and categorize your disputes as frivolous. Credit repair costs the credit agencies money each time they investigate an account. But the law requires the agencies to investigate even if you've previously disputed the account. Okay? So just know this. Know your rights. If you cannot exercise your rights if you don't know them. Number 4, credit repair can be tough. Getting negative accounts removed isn't easy. Okay? So credit repair isn't just about sending out dispute letters. Anybody can do that. There's some credit repair companies who just send out dispute letters. Not all credit repair companies are created equal. Not all of them are the same. Not every credit repair professional is the same. Just like every attorney isn't the same, every pastor isn't the same, and I can go on and on all day with examples. So not everyone is the same. Negative accounts damage your credit report and can be tough to remove if the information is reporting accurately. So not everything can be removed off everyone's credit report. If there was one company who could do that, everyone would use the same company, and that company would be, they'd be making trillions of dollars. The credit reporting agencies have a responsibility to report accurate information, be it good or bad. The purity in which the credit reporting system is supposed to operate on solely depends on the basis of them reporting all information accurately, even if it's negative. So that's good and bad. They have a responsibility to do that. There are a couple of tactics you can use to get rid of accurate negative information. Collection accounts for debt you didn't pay. Typically, these strategies are known to involve more time, skill, and effort than an incomplete credit report dispute. Other strategies like pay for deletion, debt validation, and goodwill intervention are excellent choices to consider if you're in need of credit repair. Okay, so number 5, don't expect overnight results with credit repair. Sometimes you may see advertisements that say clean your credit in 30 days or 60 days. Number 1, that type of advertisement is illegal, and no one can promise you that. You can look at a company's or an individual's prior track record and look at their results and ask to see those, but not every client will be the same. So don't expect overnight results with credit repair. Credit repair takes time. Don't expect it to just happen within 30 days. And in some cases it may, but don't go in expecting that. Repairing bad credit is a process that requires time, patience, and perseverance. So you must be committed to see it through. Credit repair isn't just removing negative information, but building credit and keeping low balances play a large role in reaching excellent credit. So, and the length of time that credit repair takes can vary depending upon the individual and the information within their credit report. Okay, so throughout the credit repair process, it isn't uncommon for your credit score to go up and down. While going through credit repair, don't watch and monitor your credit on a daily basis. Review your credit once per month. Okay, it takes time to rebuild a bad credit history. Your credit score considers your most recent credit history more significantly than older items. A good credit history typically has a minimal number of negative entries and lots of recent positive credit information. A few months of on-time payments is a step in the right direction, but it won't give you excellent credit right away. As time passes and the negative information falls off or gets older and you replace it with positive information, you'll see your credit gradually improve. Credit is broken down and destroyed over time, so don't expect to restore and build it overnight. Okay? So number 6, avoid seeking credit repair help from unqualified sources. Not everyone who claims they are a credit repair expert or specialist is in position to help you repair your credit. Be wise when consulting a company or individual for credit repair. Everyone is not capable of helping you. Think about this. If credit repair was easy, everybody would have great credit. I would highly suggest that you steer clear of multi-level marketing credit repair companies. If someone is offering you credit repair and their main focus is soliciting you to become an agent, that should be a red flag. Before you take advice from a credit repair specialist or a friend offering you help, do your own research. If you decide to seek help from a professional, check their reputation and trust your gut. If it doesn't feel right, don't do it. Anybody can show you some results from one person. Anybody can do that. But look into what you're doing before you just take anybody on. Listen, I'm a credit repair specialist, and it's not much to getting into this industry. Trust me, you could download a credit repair kit. Now you're a credit expert. Have common sense. Use common sense when you're hiring people in this industry. Share your views or let me know how I can assist you with your credit problems. If you need help with your credit, my company, Leaf Credit Solutions, is the absolute best credit repair services company, and I'd be happy to help you. I stand by that. Yes, I believe I'm the best. There are other good people out there that are in this industry, other colleagues of mine who are great at what they do, but I have the confidence in knowing that I'm the best at what I do. So do me a favor. If you have questions, submit them below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with others. And I appreciate you watching. And look for more videos coming soon.